guys, this is the first test of the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. This one is testing one of the first tests that we're using the new camera. This is recorded. This has been filmed in the early hours of the morning, sunrise, about quarter to five in the morning. This was recorded. So, it's a very good camera, as you can see. The picture quality is pretty good, actually. Obviously it's recording in 4K mode. So I can do the streets. I'm going to do a different test video on the next one, which will take you to on the canals in the afternoon. So what this is all about. So enjoy the test video. This is the very first test video I've done with the camera. So I thought I'd do a couple of test videos. Maybe I'll do one in the dark as well. Just the way it's like in the dark. Because I've heard DJI cameras are better in the dark than the GoPro ones are. So we'll see what happens when we come to that bit. So yes, I'm on my Brampton G-Line electric bike. So the camera's mounted to the handlebars. I preferred the camera being mounted on my handlebars and then on a chest strap. Yeah, so I thought I'd do one road test video where I'm on the road going through some streets and stuff like that. Then another video I'll do on the canal, so we'll see the difference in quality, the picture quality. So, the clicking noise you can hear in the background is me changing the gears. There's only 4 gears on this bike, which is pretty multi-sheet off, but it's that bike anyway, giving it green electric. Yeah, so let's see. You notice me hand being in the way sometimes like that. So we're just approaching the end of this street as we're going down to a place called Festival Park. For those that don't know the area, it's Stoke-on-Trent, and soon we'll be arriving in Festival Park where all the shops are. The journey took pretty nice, to be honest. Just wait for these lights to change and then we'll go. So yeah, we're chaining right here just after this car. Turn right down here. And we're heading into Festival Park now, which is not a bad area. It used to be part of the National Garden Festival back in the 1980s. I believe it was 1986 or something. supermarket down here. Well, 2 supermarkets now. We've got the level and the houses. And all the other shops around the surrounding areas. We've got 2 places to eat at, McDonald's, Burgers, Greg's, Popeyes. Turn the corner right, the shops are just look how nice all the shops in Swindon. A lot of them have their all glass fronts and they look really nice. They do it all. As you can see, super doing tablets, Chile, and JD Sports. We've got one in between here which is empty at the moment. I believe there's somebody going in that store soon. We've got to go outdoors here. How nice the front looks. Got that glass and pretty little lights. Yes, we've got Popeyes here in front of us. Some alarm going off. I think it was on 5 guys building. The alarm was going off on it. As we got closer to 5 guys, the alarms get louder. So I just believe it's those there building, the alarm was going off on it. We've got McDonald's on the right, which is closed at the moment. I think since that's been open, I think it's at about 3 refurbishments. Since the first opened. Just along here we've got the cinema and £10 bowling just after the roundabouts. Go straight ahead. We'll come to the Odeon cinema. £10 bowling. Just let this coach go across the roundabout. I always stop and let the traffic without cars and the coaches all those going across the yeah, this is just a test video, reverse test video of seeing what the action DJI Osmo Action 6 camera's like. So let me know in the comments what you think of it. If you think it's better than the GoPro.